So today's video is going to be a bit different. If you read the title of the video, that's right, you're not getting one, not two, not three, not four, not six, not seven, not eight, not nine, not even 10 faces. But you're getting five. I mean, there is really no ambiguity if you read the title of the video. And they're pretty funny too, or at least I think so. Welcome back to the channel. This is Carbon Drawings, where the carbons are I said that completely. I butchered my intro. Where the drawings are carbon. And if you're new to the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. I don't post as often as I did, or I do, and it's pretty sporadic. But that little bell icon will definitely help you out just a bit. It will notify you whenever I post a video. Blah 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 blah. Right? And so let's get back to these faces. So this first one is actually almost done, right? And it's looking like a middle-aged man, but it is definitely a character that I'm sure all of you guys know. Any guesses? Leave your guesses down in the comment section down below. I'll give you a few seconds. Let's just enjoy. Let's just enjoy the drawing right now. I also want to say that my audio is probably a lot better for you returning viewers, right? I actually bought a new mic. I know. I am no longer talking through a garbage disposal. I know it was pretty rough. I got rid of that tin can attached to the string that I just shoved the other end of that string into my USB port. I threw that away, and now I'm operating with an actual mic. And you know what? I gotta say, I love the sound quality. It's infinitely better than what I was working with before, which was just my on-camera mic, right? And so I finished up this first face, and I gave you plenty of time to guess, right? And that is Homer Simpson. Homer Simpson, yes, Homer Simpson. Doesn't look like it, but that is Homer Simpson. His eyes look like they're actually about to pop out of his head. If you pat him on the back, they go flying. Now the second face is probably the funniest face of this video. This again is another beloved TV star, and it is I don't want to say kids cartoon, because it was originally made for adults, but this is going to be Patrick Star, and he just has a smoldering look that just makes women just weak in the knees, right? It is dazzling. No. Now this one I found on the internet. I was scouring for ideas on what to draw for this video, and this one came across my feed, and you know, I thought it was pretty hilarious, and I just had to show you guys. So Patrick Star, ladies, he is single. You know, SpongeBob gave him the ugly, and I had to draw him with it. This next one is, I'm not really sure where I got it from, but he's coming in at, I want to say, 130 pounds, looking like a Snapchat filter, and it's someone from a meme. I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's in a bunch of memes. I don't know which ones, and I tried to find them, but I couldn't find them. He's a ginger-haired kid, a lot of freckles, really small face, and you know, once I saw this, I knew, I just knew I had to draw him. Look at those teeth. So a normal human being, right, has a certain ratio to the size of their head to their face, right? If you have a big head, you'll have a big face, right? I mean, I can't speak on your body. I don't know if you look like a bobblehead, but generally your face and your head have relative proportions. This dude is all out of whack. If you check the size of his face to his head, he has a gigantic head and tiny eyes. I'm sorry. This video is amazing. If you're enjoying the video so far, definitely smash that like button. I mean, beat it up like E Honda from Street Fighter. Do the Chun-Li ultimate. I forgot what it's called, but you know, she does a flurry of kicks, at least 100. You know, smash the like button. That's all I gotta say. This next face that's coming up is actually one of my favorite, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for the thumbnail of this video. I definitely posted on my Instagram. If you haven't checked out my Instagram, it's at the end of the video, and I think also in the description. If not, I'll put it there. But my Instagram, you know, I'll just be drawing. Sometimes I'll upload pieces of video of the video I'm working on. If you've seen my lion video, as I progressively worked on it, which was probably definitely, it is the longest worked on video that I've posted so far. So definitely check out my lion video if you haven't. It's great. It doesn't have as much audio as any other of my video. In fact, it has 0 audio. Amazing music, and I play around with the camera angles a lot of cinematography. But yeah, I'll put up a card somewhere in the time of me talking about this. And yeah, definitely check that out. So this face definitely came out pretty great. It came out better than I thought it would. And I found a picture of a guy just biting his lip, and it made me chuckle. So I figured I'd throw it into the video. And I gotta say, his skin, it's not what it used to be, man. This man was like 70, and you know when you get up in age, your skin kind of goes down, right? Except for black people, black don't crack. But this guy was looking like a raisin. It was ridiculous how many wrinkles he had, and I just thought it complemented his face so well. He's biting his upper lip, and I think his nose too. But I gotta give it to him. For somebody 70 pushing 80, he had some amazing hair. I give him that. But this one is, I don't want to say this one's laugh out loud hilarious. He's no Patrick. Come on. He's definitely no Patrick. But I think this one is probably my favorite drawing just because of the detail that went into it. I think it, aesthetically wise, it is probably my favorite. It is not the funniest, but I do think it looks the best. This last face was kind of a late entry. I didn't plan on doing more than the previous 4 faces that I did before. But I looked at the page and I saw a lot of blank spaces, and I felt that one more face would kind of even that out. Kind of, there's still a lot of space left, and I fill that with something else. Keep watching and you'll see what that is. But this last face, even though it was a late addition, it comes in 2nd place for the title of the funniest face on this list, right? So this dude, his eyes are going crazy. I don't know what's happening to his eyes. His eyes are popping out of his head just like Homer Simpson, but in a completely different way. I'm just gonna say that that is a face that only a mother could love. It's kind of ridiculous. So I'm just going in and filling out the face. To be honest, it took me a while to figure out the placement of this face. I tried to do it next to the Patrick and Patrick's head, and there wasn't enough space, and I moved it like 4 times before choosing to fit it right here. Again, I was running out of real estate, so as you can see, he's not really gonna have much of a neck. Everybody else has maybe a collar and shoulders. I kind of barely got his shoulders in there, and so this is what we're left with. And this face is a bit different from the rest. While the rest are just funny looking, this dude is making the most ridiculous face, which is what made me crack up so much. Well, if you made it to the end of the video, I want to give you a special thanks. A lot of people don't make it to the end of the video, so you're one of the special ones. I don't know. They get lost along the way. They go to Narnia. Who knows? I don't know. Definitely tell me which one was your favorite face. Did you enjoy all of them? Did you enjoy none of them? Did one of them make you laugh? All of them made me laugh, and especially Patrick. Was Patrick your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel, helps it grow, helps bring more people into the community. And also, if you're not subscribed already, definitely subscribe, turn on the bell notification. And also, if you could share this on your favorite social media with your friends, with whoever, family, really, that is really the best way to grow the channel. And again, yeah, thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.